Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for Form 1701Q. This form is essential for individuals who earn income from their business or the practice of their profession. It serves as your quarterly income tax return, allowing you to compute and pay your income tax liability throughout the year. Understanding this process helps you stay compliant and manage your tax obligations effectively, avoiding last-minute rushes. If you are a self-employed individual or a professional practitioner, filing Form 1701Q is a requirement. The deadlines are crucial to remember. The first quarter is due by May 15, the second by August 15, and the third by November 15. These quarterly filings help distribute your tax burden, making it more manageable than a single annual payment. Missing these dates can lead to penalties, so mark your calendar. To accurately complete Form 1701Q, you'll need to gather all your income and expense records. You have two main options for deductions: itemized deductions or the optional standard deduction. The optional standard deduction allows you to deduct 40% of your gross sales or receipts. Maintaining meticulous records is key to ensuring your computations are correct and that you claim all eligible deductions, potentially reducing your tax liability. You have several convenient ways to file Form 1701Q. You can file electronically using the eBIR Forms package or the eFPS system, which are both efficient. Alternatively, manual filing is an option at authorized agent banks. For payments, you can use online banking facilities or pay directly through authorized agent banks. Always ensure your filing and payment are completed on time to avoid any penalties, and maintain good standing with tax authorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.